Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 4th June 2025, Vaigasi Masam 21st. Vishwavasu Nama Samvalsaram Uttarayanam Vasantarado Vaigasi Masam, that is Rishabha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 3:18 a.m. Navami, then Dashami. Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday. Nakshatram Uttiram. Today's Rahugalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guliyagalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Today's good time 9 to 12. Good time noon 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam up to 11:23 a.m. Magara Rashi, then Kumbha Rashi. Shulam North. Shraddha Tithi Navami.